Hello, Hind. From the beaches of Vancouver, I wanted to express my love for you and your dear family. I am so sorry that the world has failed you. I am so sorry that all politicians have failed you. I'm so sorry that Canadian politicians, because they have a responsibility in this too. Justin Trudeau, the Prime Minister, our elected representatives have failed you. I don't know what else to say, except I am so sorry. And I'm just wishing you and your family so much love. I'm sending you so much love from Vancouver. Okay. Love and solidarity to you, Hind, and to all the children in Palestine.